Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am CP Shashit and today I am pulling back the curtain on the exact strategy I use to get leads daily without spending a single dollar on ads. Whether you are a beginner or you have been stuck with low traffic for months, the step-by-step method that helped me grow my list organically, constantly, and yes, it still works in 2025. If you are tired on posting links that ignored or wasting money on paid ads and don't convert, stay with me. I am till the end. The exact strategy might be just change your affiliate game. Let me be clear. Paid ads are not bad. They are powerful, but here is the truth. Over the 7% of beginners affiliate marketers below their budget on ads without understanding their audience. CPC costs are racing. Facebook ad, Google ad cost jumped nearly 20 to 30% since 2023. And the worst part, most beginners don't have a tested funnel or email system to convert those clicks. So they spend $100 and max is $7. That's not a business, that's a loss. And that's why I switched to organic lead generation. No paid ads, no fancy funnels, just strategy. When I stopped chasing immediate conversion and focused on building relationships, that's when my leads started growing. Free leads are not truly free. They cost time, efforts, and value. But here's the win. They are higher quality, more engaged, and more likely to trust you over the time. So I built a daily system based on this simple principle. Give you value fast, position the right offer second. Now let me walk you through my exact system. Step 1. Niche specific problem solving content. Content is the foundation, but not just any content. I focus on micro problems people are actively searching for. Titles like how to build email list without a website, free traffic methods for affiliate marketing. I create a short form videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, and long form blog content around those. Video content is expected to make up over 82% of all internet traffic in 2025, and it's a free traffic when optimized right. Step 2. The lead magnet trap next. I offer a free resource in every post. Example, a mini ebook, a free checklist like my daily lead gen routine, 5-day emails crash course. This is the entry point of my email funnel. I use GetResponse link in descriptions to capture leads and automate follow-ups. Why it works? Because people don't want to be sold, they want help. Lead magnets build trust and get the email without selling. Step 3. Pinterest plus YouTube equal my traffic engine. I get over 7% of my free leads from two places: Pinterest, visual content, infographics, and blog pinning. YouTube Shorts, quick wins, tips, and CTA for resources. Here's the secret. I post 7 short videos per week on per day. Repurpose the content across the Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram using the same format. Use clear CTAs like download the free checklist below or grab my 5-step funnel blueprint in the description. Consistency beats virality. That's the game. Step 4. The email follow-up system. The final step is nurturing your leads. Once they opt in, I run 7 email sequences. The first 3 emails are pure value, no links. After that, I blind in. Case studies, personal results, affiliate tools I use with soft CTA, email start to know. Affiliate marketers who build email leads earn up to 4x more than who did not. Even with the same traffic, email is where the money actually happens. You might ask how I do my manage all of this solo. Here is my go-to tools: GetResponse and email plus landing pages plus autoresponder. Canva for Pinterest pins, short thumbnails, lead magnet designs, and ChatGPT for script ideas, titles, content ideas, Notion for content planning. Those tools make it possible to run a one-person content machine. So that's it. My exact strategy to get free leads daily without any paid ads. Provide a niche specific value, offer a lead magnet, use YouTube scripts plus Pinterest consistency. Automate with email, and trust me, you don't need a tech weird or have 100k followers. You just need a system and the persistence show up daily. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment below with the free leads. If you want to me share my actual email templates or lead magnet example in the future video. And don't forget to check the description for the links to my tools and free resources. Thanks for watching. I am CP Shashit. helping you grow your business the smart way, not the spamming way. Hit that subscribe button if you want more deep dive real estate content that actually works in 2025. See you in the next on the remember you don't need money to start, you need a strategy.